Hey guys, how you doing? If you guys have been around a while, you know we like tractors on this show. And with that being said, we are heading to a tractor car show. And well, young Buck's over here polishing up a tractor. Let's check it out. Look at him go. He's polishing. What do you got here?
A Ford NAA. It's a 1954. He got this tractor when he was 16. How much did it cost you?
$1,400. I paid $1,400. I was right around 16. I may have been 14, but I think I was maybe 16.
It's 1 year off with a Golden Jubilee, and it does say the Golden Jubilee, but it's not a Golden Jubilee.
That's right. It's got a Golden Jubilee emblem, but it's really a fake. It's a phony.
Why do you have that there then?
That's how it was when I bought it. The Golden Jubilee is supposed to be worth more, I guess.
Then subscribe.
That's right. If you got a puppy, subscribe. You all hear that? Don't forget to comment and hit the thumbs up too. So we're going to check the fuel in this. He will be driving this, and I will be driving.
And I'm going to be on the back of it.
I will be driving that. What is it?
A John Deere.
John Deere, baby. Whoop, whoop.
I love
So,
John Deere.
We'll take some video when we're on the road.
I love John Deere's dad.
Awesome. I love them too. We're off. Tractor cruise night on our tractor. See you, Dinah. Well, guys, we're picking up another tractor. We're gonna be cruising with a 520. She's looking pretty sexy too. Look at those tires. Nice. We picked up something orange back there. I don't know what it is. Well, I think it's going to the same spot we are. It's like an Alice Chalmers. It's gonna be hard to record and drive at the same time, but we made it. People are watching us and we're watching them. Woo woo! I guess we'll park over here next to the cock shop. I'm gonna park this. I'll check you in later. Is that sexy 520? It's always a good time. Here's that Alice that was behind us. Didn't take you long to catch up. Oh, what do you got? A little smoky. It's funny, on the way to your house, I thought I smelled something burning, but mine's not doing that, so we're good.
This was overcharging.
We got an Alice Chalmers B, 300 utility, couple lawn tractors. Looking good, looking good. I like that step.
That's pretty sweet.
That one's pretty, that's for sure. Look at how pretty that is. It's nice to be able to do this in a small town. How you doing? Where's your dad? Where's Artie? Nice. Where are you going? You're leaving? Oh boy. We got tractors and cars. Well, guys, they're playing a YouTube or a song that's going to get copyrighted, so I'm just going to go with it. I guess I won't get monetized for this video. Just got registered for my tractor, and they're playing. She thinks my tractor's sexy. Really turns me on. Chugging along, tilling up the land.
Feeling kinda crazy about my farmer's tan. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my tractor's sexy.
How you doing, boys? How you doing? The radio on. Lots of nice stuff here, guys. It's nice that a small town can have such a nice event as this, especially when they have a tractor cruise night. It's an old Mustang. That's a pretty nice tractor, boys. He's like a deer, man, her eyes light up. Hey, how are ya? 720, that's a big old ground pounder. Daryl Matthias, nice tractor. Troy. Matthew. Some nice iron here, boys. There's a nice 8N. Lots of them out there. The Schlager family. That'll be at the steam show. I'm sure of it. Another 8N. VAC. The original had one of these. He sold it at an auction not too long ago. It didn't look anything like this though. It was in rough shape. And we got a cute little Artie tractor here. I don't know what model that is. Looks good though. We got some neighbors here. Some neighbors. They'll be on YouTube. They'll be all over it. Yeah. That's a beast. Howdy, neighbor. See, I feel like the mayor here.
$100 butcher box meat package and a grill tool set. Second prize is a signed Power Savers jersey, and third prize is $100 cash. Tickets are $5.
Pretty nice truck. Guys, they got all sorts of stuff set up here. They got the pink cow here. You can get your ice cream, you can get sweets. Somebody even got me to buy a piece of cake. All this is happening on Main Street in Akron, New York. And it's just a small town. And it's really nice that stuff like this still happens. This is an agricultural based community. Yes, 1 second. And I love it. Hope you guys like it as well. guys. We're even going to get ourselves a nice pizza from a local pizzeria named Pizza Bella, Akron, New York, guys. Check them out. They got good stuff. Sun's not in our favor for taking photos here, but we're going to get it while we got this music playing. It's a heck of a good song. Can't wait to get some of this pizza. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good, young buck. You gonna take a bite on camera?
It's hot.
I'm gonna let mine cool down. So I have Kenny, the man, the legend. He's hiding behind me.
Why am I the legend?
Because he's a John Deere guru. And if you have a problem with a John Deere, he might know how to fix it. He's a 2-cylinder guy. So how you doing?
Good.
Welcome to American Country 716. Are you stage fright?
No, I'm just tired.
All right, show me what you brought. Let's go check it out.
720 and a fight.
Let's go see him. Tell me about your tractor, young man.
720 diesel.
I gotta get close because
58.
58.
And,
Let's get up here out of the sun.
520 or a 58.
All right, start over. What is it?
720 diesel, factory electric, and that is a 58, I believe. It's a later one.
It's
and
nice.
then the 520, I thought it was a 57, but what is the number on that? Can you see that? The 53441.
I can't tell through the phone. Nice tractor though. Did you have to do a lot to this? You totally redid it, didn't you?
Yeah, I did a lot to it. It needed more, but then I just was like, all right, put it together.
Yeah, I know you spent a long time on it. It looks really good.
It used to look even better before I used it for brush hogging and stuff, but you're better off to run them.
Yeah.
You know?
I was always kind of scared of the hand clutch. Now that I got one, it's no big deal. But
Yeah.
if you panic and you go to push a clutch
Yeah,
in with
I
your
know.
foot, you can drive through the garage.
Yeah, you can. I still just went up straight up once on accident, hooking on a big log frozen, but I also hooked to the 3-point.
Oh yeah, so
Stood it straight up, pulled this back, and I'm like, yep, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
It was like this.
probably crapped your pants. Thought you were gonna
Oh,
break
it
the
was
front end.
just like, that could have been bad really fast.
Yeah. They used to say back in the day, tricycles were kind of dangerous if you like went through ditches and stuff.
They are light. You know what I mean? Look at how light this
Yeah,
is.
you got no engine
That
up front.
end adds a lot of weight, and then you got them weights up there, but I don't have weights to go on it.
Right. Oh, that's a very nice tractor. Thanks for talking with us, Kenneth.
Oh, you're on YouTube.
YouTube, baby. They're at the filling station.
Look at all that catch. That adds all that weight compared to a narrow front.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Nice truck.
There, that adds all that weight.
Yeah. I wonder what the front end of this weighs.
Good.
Yeah, I'll eat it.
Foreign tractors. You're true.
I got the hiccup.
Were you asking about that?
Staying alive. Looking good. Getting to be that time. Pretty soon all these tractors, well, that one took a poop. It was going strong.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's my daughter. How you doing? Good. Oh my God.
Well, that's a diesel. That's a 720. They're getting the show on the road here. We sure did have a great time at this tractor cruise night with neighbors, friends, and family. We look forward to this every year. It's really nice they do something like this in a small town. Nice seeing you guys. I like that 4-H license plate. That's sweet. What's up, man? About time to get the show on the road ourselves. Well, it's that time. We'll fire her up. She's alive, boys! Here we go!
Young buck.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and drop me a comment if you got one. And happy farming as always. And I'll see you on the next one. What a great time that was. This is an agricultural-based community, and it's so awesome that we do stuff like this. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.